Hey guys, this is Jessica at Costa Magnolia, and today I'm participating in the Fall 2018 $5 Goodwill Challenge. And this time around, I'm going to be DIYing a glass Fairy Light Cloche. So I found this clock at our Salvation Army store for $3.99, and I actually bought it back when I did the Spring Goodwill Challenge. It was the backup to my backup to my backup plan in case my other two didn't turn out. So I've been saving it for this one because I knew it would be perfect for Halloween. You can use it for all different things, but I think this is going to be perfect for Halloween, so I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So the glass part of this cloche is freestanding. You can actually take it off. It needed a good washing. The base I turned over and used some screws. Well, they're not screws. I don't know what those are called, and I'm not good with tools, so I took some needle nose pliers to get them loosened up and undid those screws and took the clock part off of the vase. Mine was a little rusted, so I kind of tried to like scrub it a little bit. I gave it a good washing and then took some rubbing alcohol to try and get it off. I didn't sand it or anything because I didn't want to get too crazy. After I did all that and it was dry, I sprayed some primer on it just because it was so nasty. And then I sprayed it again with a coat or two of just plain white spray paint. Now you could definitely do other colors. You could do white, you could do, I think a matte black would be gorgeous, oil rubbed bronze, or if you just wanted to do like a gold or champagne-y color, the sky is the limit here. Now I was gonna do a matte black, but I ended up going with white because I want to use this for Christmas time too, so I think that the white's going to be better for Christmas, so I wanted to stick with one color that I thought would be light and go with different holidays. After everything's all dried and cleaned off, that's when you can string through your fairy lights. What's great is that the base is kind of like hollowed out underneath, so that's where you have room for your battery pack, and then you just string the fairy lights through. It has like 3 holes in it, so you could use as many packs as you can fit battery packs under there. To get it all nice and full, but there are also other ways that you can use this too. You can see here I've used a little mercury glass owl, and I even took this other glass cloche, which this is the top of a candle that I have just had for years, never thought to use it as anything else, but I ended up taking the top off of it and putting this little stone owl here, so it's kind of like a set of owls under cloches. I think it's so cute. For Halloween, you could definitely do skulls stacked up or pumpkins stacked up. I think the fairy lights are especially cute for Christmas time, but you could put little tiny ornaments or pine cones or whatever you want. Honestly, the sky is the limit. If you find a clock, I think this is a great DIY to do with one. I hope you guys liked seeing how I DIY'd this fairy lights cloche. Thanks so much to Hillary from Old World Home for putting on this challenge. I know we all love doing it. I love the fall ones. I cannot wait to see what everybody comes up with for Christmas time. So make sure you check out the playlist that I'll have linked below so you can see everybody else's projects, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.